playing a firework game. What, JJ? We're playing firework game? Yes, Joey. So come on, what? I played this game multiple times. So which firework should we do? Let's do the bingo. Oh, I can't use that. Let's do the Urus. Oh, let's see what it does. I used this a lot of times, but kind of forgot. Well, let's go in the house and do it. I can't wait. Okay, let's do this. Yes! I have to get out. JJ! This is absolutely going to be destructive. Yes. This is what we're going to also do today. Let's do the explosions. And this. That was destructive, guys. Let's do some more. Not destructive enough. Okay, Billy. Can we blow up this truck? Let's go to special. Let's go flamethrower. Let's light a tree on fire. There's also like guns in this game. Okay, let's light this on fire. Is it do? Oh, there's fire. Not cool enough. The nuke. I used the nuke like once or twice before, and it has not gone good. If you use a lot too much, boom, boom. My whole game is gonna crash. So let's go back to. Let's go to Nevermind. Let's go spaceship. Let's see if I can light it with this. Does it work? Oh, it works. It's gonna explode. Oh. Well, that was destructive. Yes, it was. I wonder if we can do it in another building. Wait, is that a gas station? I'm gonna go inside the gas station. I'm hungry. Give me a recess. No, you're fat. You know that? I'm not fat. Yes, you are. And I'm gonna light it with the. Where's the flamethrower? I have it back. Everyone run! Oh! Hey, this one did not go off. But it didn't do anything. It's not really that destructive. There's a pizza. I might take a slice. Oh! Not destructive enough. I'm sticking to the explosion section because this is the one that absolutely makes destruction. Let's do this one. Ah! Jesus Christ. Oh, the explosion. Can we go inside this house? No? Well, I guess we have to blow it up to get inside. So let's do this, a couple of that, a couple of this. Oil thing. Let's do some of this. Dude, this is gonna be a big explosion. Yes, this is going to be a very big explosion. And let's light it off with a TNT bomb. Everyone run! This is gonna be a big explosion, JJ. Yes, it is. Jesus Christ. Let's try to crash the server now. Let's try these. These are like the big explosions, the main ones that like this time. A lot. Alright guys, I did a lot. Like a lot. It kind of took a while. So let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Everyone run! This is gonna be a big explosion. Yes, it is. Guys, the world exploded. Everyone, like and subscribe if you want to see a part 2 of this. Anyway, see y'all later. Bye!